Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create the focus on individual item of any image. Usually this effect can be done with a photo camera and mobile nowadays. Well, this is my original image which I am going to convert it into cool and beautiful focus image. Without any further ado, let's get started with this tutorial. First of all, we need to decide where we want to put the focus. In this image, I want to focus on this dish at the center, and to do so, here I am using elliptical marquee tool and create selection similar to the selection like me here. You can also use select subject option, which will help you to automatically select your subject in Photoshop CC. To adjust selection, go to select menu, which is located at the top of your screen, and then go to transform selection and then adjust your selection according to your object. To blur selection borders, right click on the selection and go to feather option, or you can use keyboard shortcut key, that is shift plus F6, or go to select, modify and click on feather. Here I am going to keep 100% pixels. After this we need to invert our selection. For that, go to select, which is located on the top of your screen. Click on invert option or use Ctrl Shift I keyboard shortcut key. Now we need to blur our image. For that we need to go to filter, which is located on the top of your screen. So here filter, go to blur and then go to Gaussian blur, and here I am just keeping 25 pixels. To keep more focus on image, we have to slightly increase the area of selection. Let's increase the selection with the help of select menu, modify and expand. Here I am going to expand it till 125 pixels over here. Now invert selection again. Next, we are done with creating a focus on the image. To highlight focus area more effectively, the last effect that I wanted to add is desaturate adjustment. For that, we need to go to image and then go to adjustment and then click on desaturate option. You can simply use keyboard shortcut key, that is shift control plus U. And here we are done with this super cool focus effect in Photoshop CC. With this technique, you can highlight your product more precisely. This was quick tutorial. If you have any question or suggestion, make sure to comment here at the below. Thank you guys for watching this.